Welcome back to Product Critique, your go-to channel for honest reviews of the best products out there. Today, we're going to dive into what I believe is the best molecular model kit available, perfect for chemistry students, teachers, or anyone with an interest in organic and inorganic chemistry. This is the NINGOO Molecular Model Kit, with 124 pieces designed to help visualize and understand the structure of molecules. Now, let's talk about why this kit stands out. If you're someone who needs a hands-on approach to learning chemistry, this kit is a game changer. It includes 61 atoms and 62 links, allowing you to create various models of molecules and see firsthand how atoms interact and bond. Whether you're building simple molecules or more complex structures, this kit makes it easy to visualize molecular arrangements. The NINGOO Molecular Model Kit supports both the ball and stick model and the space-filling model. The ball and stick model is great for understanding the geometric arrangement of atoms in space, while the space-filling model gives you a more realistic representation of how molecules might look in real life, providing a true understanding of their shape and size. One of the standout features of this kit is how simple it is to assemble. The atoms and links have a recessed design that makes it easy to install and remove the pieces. This feature also ensures that your models stay intact during use, with robust atoms and resilient links ensuring long-term durability. Plus, the kit comes with a short link removal tool, which makes dismantling your models just as easy as putting them together. Portability is another key advantage of this kit. The pieces are neatly organized in compartments, making it super easy to carry between home, school, or the lab. Whether you're preparing for an exam or simply working on a project, this kit is highly convenient and transportable. So who is this kit for? It's perfect for students and teachers alike. If you're studying chemistry at any level, this kit offers an essential tool for visualizing molecular structures. It's also a fantastic resource for anyone just beginning to explore chemistry, providing an interactive learning experience that traditional textbooks can't match. Whether you're in a classroom or studying at home, this kit is a must-have for anyone serious about chemistry. In conclusion, if you're looking for the best molecular model kit to help you understand the building blocks of chemistry, this NINGOO 124-piece model kit is a fantastic choice. It combines quality, functionality, and portability in a way that makes learning chemistry more engaging and accessible than ever before. If you're ready to take your chemistry studies to the next level, don't hesitate to check out this kit. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time here on Product Critique.